Hey, what's up, traders? Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you get tons of value from my content, and we are running a contest every month to pick a winner for free full access to my academy, my trading group, my signal group, and a free phone call with me to figure out how I can help you in your own trading. So like, comment, and subscribe on as many videos as you can this month, and we'll pick a winner from the people that do randomly, and hopefully it'll be you, and hopefully I see you in my VIP group one day. So thanks for your support. Let's crush the markets. Peace. Hey, what's up, traders? This is our precious metals, gold and silver report for April 8th, 2020. And we've got some good movements over the past 2 days, definitely breakouts in gold as predicted, in silver as well. And now we're consolidating here. And man, this morning in New York session, I really thought we were going to break out and move higher, but we really just kind of fell flat on our face. But here's gold. So this is the breakout that occurred 2 days ago, Sunday, Monday, and this is where we are now. We're consolidating in what looks to be, especially if we go to an hourly chart, a bullish pennant, descending triangle type formation, and this support here at 1642, 1645 is very, very strong. So, I entered us in a trade at 1655 and this morning, and we hit 1657, re-entered and got stopped out, unfortunately, and still just held here on the support. So in the message to our group, I said, look, unfortunately we got stopped out here, but my plan is still to buy dips on gold as long as this level holds, because long term, I've said this so many times, but I want to say it again, I think we're going higher. And here we are, we're trading above this 61.8% Fibonacci extension here. If I go out here to the weekly chart, we're clearly in an uptrend, higher high, higher high. This is a very ugly higher high here because, well, we had almost went to war with Iran. The stock market crashed, coronavirus, 2020. I can just say it's an ugly ass formation because of 2020 so far. So here we are. And so, but we've had this breakout here. This is the main breakout that took us higher. And now we're still trading above the 61.8% Fibonacci extension. So that should definitely be kept in mind. And don't forget the 78.6% is still looming overhead at 1740. So this is still my target. And remember, fundamentally, because of this bailout from the Fed, the Federal Reserve just throwing money and pumping money into trillions of dollars into the market, essentially just printing money, which is going to cause massive devaluation of the dollar. And in that case of this huge inflation that is bound to happen, hard assets like gold and silver are only going to increase. So buying dips on these pairs is just an amazing game plan. It's definitely my game plan for sure. Silver looks a little bit weaker, but I should say, out of this formation here, we've broken out and we're consolidating. I think a move higher in the next day, 2 days, is very, very likely, as long as this holds. We might just need that one catalyst. And tomorrow we have unemployment numbers out of the U.S. I just remember that. So that could very well be the catalyst, because I don't think they're going to be good. Nobody thinks they're going to be good, but the market's kind of priced them in though at the same time. So here's the breakout that we had Monday, higher high. So hopefully this level holds and we make another high here. We're in a little triangle consolidation, broke out, and then came back down to test the same level of support. So similar to gold, this support is holding as well. So and that support's at like $14.80, $15. So that's pretty big psychological level. And you can see where this is too. I can you know, a box would demonstrate this very well. So here we are on this level of support here. And this is what we're looking at on silver. So let's, just like I zoomed out long-term, let's go long-term on silver. And it'd be nice to find a chart that wasn't so marked up. But here we are. We're back inside this wedge. We had our false breakdown, back inside the wedge here, and we're consolidating. So, you know, the fact that we did push a little bit lower here is good, because the likelihood that we push higher is very, very strong after consolidation, for all the reasons I just mentioned about the Fed and the devaluation of the dollar. So the 61.8 here comes in at 16.2. So, or 1607-ish. So this should be a very good upside target, maybe to take some profits, hopefully after we get a break higher from the level we're at now. But I still hold to my belief that long-term we're going to retest this, the top side of this wedge. And hopefully this is even more long-term, especially as all this continues with the coronavirus, the Fed, this depression that we're in. You know, I think we could move much higher. And you know, this 161.8% extension is a pretty reasonable target. And you know what? I'll just go ahead and call it. I'm just going to go ahead and call it 23.3 on silver, and potentially even higher for sure. So, but as long as we can break out of this wedge here is the caveat. So a lot of big things coming. You know, in the update video I recorded previously, we're in a bit of a range right now. Market's consolidating, so you got to be patient. So be patient out there. Let these moves materialize, and just be ready to capitalize on them. So that's why I make these videos, not just for you, but for me. So now I can reassess everything in my own trading and in my own mind. So hope you found this video helpful. Click the links below to get started in my training, in my group. Learn the same technical analysis. I've simplified everything so anybody can be profitable. And this is the only trading group you will ever need, especially if you're maybe you've tried before, had some experience, but haven't had any luck or haven't found the right mentor. I think maybe you should give my group a try. You might be pleasantly surprised. So click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the VIP chat room. Peace.